Ross right again. Keep telling you about this money. Let's get into it, fam. Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we'll be talking about, once again, Lithium Americas. Okay, Lithium Americas. Now, for the past year, Lithium Americas has been up 135%. The past 3 months, 4.18%. The past month, 2.62%. So 3%. The past week has been down 9.14%, which is absolutely great for you investors because this is a time to get in on the low, okay? But in today's and after hours, this particular stock has been up around 8%. Let's get into it. Now, Lithium Americas is a resource company which engages in lithium development projects. Its projects include the Thacker Pass and Caucharí-Olaroz. The company was founded by Raymond Edward Flood on November 27th, 2007. It's headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Now, what's great about this particular stock, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to show you both of them because maybe some of you guys are Canadians and you want to invest in certain stocks. This stock is actually listed on the New York Stock Exchange as well as the Canadian Stock Exchange. So that's important for you guys who are over there in Canada who want to get in on this, okay? Now, when we're talking about this, I love the analyst ratings on this because I'm going to show you where I did a video, I believe it was in October. They have it at 78% roughly buy, 22% hold, 0% sale, okay? Can I blow this up? 0% sale. They're saying this particular stock has tons, megatons of potential. Now, it's been pretty much steady. It has some very slight lows here and dips, but on the dips, that's when you buy, okay? Now, you can see my history. I haven't really bought that much of it. You can see maybe $100-something, but when it comes to the amount of shares I bought, that's just about 15, about 13, 14, okay? So I really haven't been doing too many big things, and again, also, Global X Lithium and Battery. I gave a stock review about that as well. I should show you guys that one too. I like to show you stocks that are now booming, and I show you the history where I went in and I actually did the stock review. Because essentially, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's important that you understand that I'm trying to build a timeline of when I'm giving you the information versus when you invest, and then you're only investing in this information when it's old, okay? When the information is old, there's no value to you, okay? There's no value to you. So let me show you. Here's a video I did on lithium, Global X Lithium. Let me go back here. Let's put it to perspective. This is on December 16th, okay? Let me show you this. So Global X Lithium is up to 6.53. Let's do a compare and correlation because I believe it's important that you understand what I'm building here. So let's say, let's go back a year. Let's find December. Let's find December. Let's see the 16th somewhere up in here, right here. So December 15th, this stock is how much? $56. $56.18, okay? When did I give this stock review? I gave this stock review December 16th, okay? What is the current stock price, ladies and gentlemen? What is the current stock price? The current stock price is $80. So roughly, you would have made $30 per your investment. That's why this is important. That's why I take this information as serious. And what do I tell you most times? More times than not, I tell you, buy and hold. Buy and hold. I'm going to make you some money. But you have to be patient. You have to listen. And the last thing you got to do is freaking invest, okay? So at the end of the day, listen to your boy. I think I know what I'm talking about. Sometimes, more times than not. I'm sometimes always never right. What? Anyway, let's move on. I'm just playing with you guys now. Now, as I'm moving on, I'm looking at Market Watch here, and I'm looking at these particular analysts, and we're going to break this down. They're saying that it's overbought, okay? And that's one of the reasons why it has dropped 9%. Year to date, as you can tell right here, family, it's 145%. It's 145% year to date. 145% for the past year. Okay, on this dip, this is when you should buy. As we're looking at the EPS, which is a great indicator how the company is doing. This company is doing very well. That's not that the EPS, earnings per share, there's only 32 cents. Okay, they're investing most of their money back inside their company, so they're doing well. Let's look at some of the headline news very quickly. It says Lithium Americas shares rise after investment in arena minerals. Lithium Americas started a buy with 22 stock price target at Dutch Bank. How lithium and cobalt are getting a boost from Tesla. Apple batteries, if you guys saw the thumbnail, okay, that wasn't clickbait. I don't do clickbait. I'm just giving you guys indicators of how this stock has huge, huge, huge potentials, okay? I don't like doing clickbait. I like to give you guys information though, okay? Information is very key. Let's go over to Yahoo Finance and look at this stock as well. So right now we have this stock up at 5%, okay? We have it up at 5% at $13.41. I know Robinhood had it at about $13.75%. Again, this is over that threshold that most people like. This is over that threshold that most people like. Hey, man, can you give me some stocks under $15, some stocks under $20? Well, here you go. You ask and you shall receive, family. Here's some stock that you can invest in. Now, this next indicator is going to be alarming for you, but I'm going to tell you, don't look at this. Now, short term, they have it going down. Mid-term down. Long-term down, okay? And you come down here, it says overvalued, okay? Now, the one thing about listening to analysts, I like to look at who is sponsoring the analysts, who is backing the analysts, because you'll see a lot of contradictions. But even if this analytical indicators are correct, meaning that the analysts on Yahoo are saying it's going to be down, down, down for the next year, this is the perfect time to buy, okay? This is the perfect time to buy. Now, for you Canadians out there, I want to make sure I glance this over for you guys as well. This is on your Toronto stock exchange here. They have it at $16.97, okay? As you can tell here, they don't have any indicators of where it's going to be, and they don't have it overvalued. They just have how much the current stock price is. That is for your information. Going over to CNN Business for your stock forecast. Now let's look at this. Now, as we can tell here, they have it predicting at some point in time going down to where we're currently at $13.41. And they're telling you in the next 12 months, it has a low estimate of $16. Let me blow it up just a little bit more. Of $16, family. Can you see this? As always to your side. Let me see if I can move this over just a little bit for you guys. Sorry about that. $16.28 going up 21%. The median price, $22.50 going up around 68%. And then a high of $25 per share. So you have the potential of making $12 per share. You have the potential of making $12 per share. $12, $12. The stock is currently under $15. The stock is currently under $14. This is the time where you buy low, hold, and then when this stock actually reaches 25, then you can sell it off or hold it, depending on where that stock absolutely goes. Because here's the thing. When a stock reaches median price, the high estimate may rise or even lower. So you have to continue to look at these stocks like I do, okay? You can't just wait for these stock reviews. You got to do a little bit of research yourself now, family. You have to do a little bit of research about yourself. Now, you saw the previous news headline about Tesla, okay? You saw the previous news headline about Tesla. Let me see if I can go back and get that, okay? Let's look at this one more time. And as you can tell right here, it says how lithium and cobalt are getting a boost from Tesla and batteries. Then you go over and you make the correlation is Tesla going to buy Lithium Americas? Tesla is getting into the mining business, buys lithium claim of 10,000 acres in Nevada. Tesla is now officially getting into the mining business with a lithium claim on 10,000 acres in Nevada. Now, granted, if Tesla buys Lithium Americas, that stock is going to skyrocket, okay? This behind the news for itself, Tesla might even be a good investment. Well, I still invest in Tesla. I would still leave as a good investment because Tesla is always pushing the envelope. They're always doing innovative things to make their stock worth more than what the current price is, okay? They're not one of those stagnant stocks. I don't see Tesla giving out dividends because usually when stocks give out dividends, they meaning that, okay, we're not really going to grow that much. We're not going to really have a lot of bang. We might go up $1 or $2 in a month, but we're not going to have these large increases in our profit. We're just not going to do that. We're more steady. We've been around for a long time. We're just keeping our investors happies who like us for the dividends. But look for Tesla and look out for Lithium Americas, okay? So let's move on. Now, as I told you before, family, as I told you before, I want to go back to this indicator one more time. Now, this is Lithium Americas, buy at 78, hold at 22, okay? Now, when I look at this particular stock, and I'm looking at the current price of $13.70, okay, because it's moving right now in the pre-market. Then I'm going to show you guys where I did another video, okay? I did another video back in October of 6, okay? That's when I was rocking my beard. Here we go. Now, as you can tell right here, when does the stock say this is LAC, Lithium Americas, October 6th of last year, okay? October 6th. So let's go back. We got to do compare and correlate some things here. So I'm going to go out a year. I'm going to go back to October. Okay, let's go back to October. Let's go right here on the 7th. This stock was worth $14.81. Today, this stock is worth $13.70. Now, some people will say, because I like to even show where I'm right and what I'm wrong, but the point I'm making here is, if you would have bought it then, you was like, well, Ross, I'm down, 1 to 2% on this particular stock. Now, if you go back and watch that video, I told you need to hold this stock for a year plus, okay? So we haven't reached October yet. Now, if we go over once again to the CNN forecast, we're looking at what? We're looking at how this stock is going, the median price is what? $22. The high price is $25. And the low is $16, which is over the amount that it was currently in October 6th. So nonetheless, I wanted to give you guys that great information. Now, I know my subscribers out there, some of you like, hey, I like the stock. It's too high for me. Can you find me a stock in this space that has a lower price point, something under $6 or $7? Okay, I did that for you too, because I read your comments. And this is another lithium stock that's under $6. It's under $6, ladies and gentlemen. And guess where it is? It's still out of who? Vancouver, Canada. Look out for this particular company to be acquired by Lithium Americas, okay? To be acquired even though they just released. Now, they may not buy them no time soon, but look out futuristically, maybe 3 to 5 years for Lithium Americas to buy the stock, and it's under $6. I'm reading your comments. I'm listening to you guys. I'm giving you the information that you want. Standard Lithium engages in the resource development and exploration for lithium. Its projects include Arkansas. I don't know what I said. Oh, this is in Vancouver, guys. The company was founded on August 14, 1998, and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada, okay? And the listed name, the ticker for this is SLI. We won't get into all the details because it's a very new stock, but as you can tell, Lithium Americas is listed right here as its competitors. So anyway, this is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. And again, I hate being right, but I'll always be right because I'll just keep telling people to wait a year to see returns. And then you probably forget that I did these videos. Then I go back and I snitch on myself. I'm just saying.